with the time, you always remember, I don't know why, but you always remember more the good things only. These are the ones that I will keep in my memory the most.
Dani Pedrosa is a pretty worthy champion.
What a season it's been for Dani Pedrosa.
Unbelievable entertainment. Oh, he's not strong enough, he's not fit enough, he's not big enough to ride a MotoGP machine. No, he's going to win this race.
I was like a little thing, you know, in a big world. I was feeling like this. I was picked in the Movistar Cup in '99. Out of many riders, he gave me the confidence. So he always believed in my potential, and we won three world titles. So a very special relationship, of course.
Dani Pedrosa is crowned the 2003 125cc World Champion. Pedrosa, in his first season in the class, is the new 250cc World Champion.
Congratulations to Dani Pedrosa, 2 successive 250cc World titles. And moving up in the MotoGP World Championship next year.
We wanted to achieve the World Championship because I had a good potential and good spirit, and I believe in myself so strongly. But we knew from the start that the reality was that I was very small for this class. You face certain situations like cannot ride in the wet, or cannot burn the tires in cold places, or crashing and getting injured easily. We knew the handicap, but we anyway tried, and we believed, and we worked for it.
Dani Pedrosa crosses the line for the very first time in MotoGP as a winner. Dani Pedrosa's alongside. Dani Pedrosa wins here in Bruno from Jorge Lorenzo. What a battle! Listen to the crowd. Here comes Pedrosa again on the inside. Brilliant from Dani Pedrosa.
My best chance was 2012 and also 2013. And fortunately, had very bad luck. One time was one thing, one time was another thing. One year the tires weren't there. Another year the bike wasn't there. Another year I was injured. Another year another rider was faster. So over all the years, you know, things were happening. Could be in 2 championships, unfortunately not, but personally in the inside I know I was capable, and this is very important. If you look back, it's very easy to say where you didn't do good and where you would improve. It's hard to say that I regret something. Maybe I would say that sometimes I had to follow more my instincts at some point or some decisions, but overall I'm pretty happy.
Firstly, I would like just to announce that next year I will not compete in the championship, and this means that I will finish the career this season in MotoGP.
Yeah, it's been around 2 years that I've been always thinking a little bit about this moment. It's a strange situation, honestly, a little bit different than what I expect, but I think the key is to follow your heart, and this was the feeling.
The FIM have made the decision to inaugurate Dani Pedrosa as a MotoGP legend when he hangs up his leathers, with the Spaniard set to be included in that MotoGP Legends Hall of Fame at the season finale in Valencia, honouring a phenomenal 18 years of motorbike racing.
I'm an emotional person, and although I doesn't look like maybe on the outside, it's because I feel it a lot in the inside. So for sure, I will have like a flashback of all my career, and maybe even the first moments with my father learning to ride the bike. So it's going to be a very unique moment.